At Honda, our relationship with you lasts long after you've left the showroom. When you bring your car in for a service, you can relax knowing your Honda is in the best care. Only Honda-trained service technicians are factory-trained to have unparalleled knowledge about the technology in your Honda and how it works. That's important. Your technician has access to our Honda Knowledge Bank, containing state-of-the-art diagnostic tools and reports, plus the latest information on any recalls, software and mapping updates, so you know your vehicle's maintenance is meticulously performed. We take a lot of care during every service to make sure your Honda stays a Honda, and we'll keep you posted during the process. If we discover an item needs replacing, we won't change it without you knowing and understanding the importance first. Plus, we will only fit Honda genuine parts and oils to your Honda, guaranteeing the perfect fit and optimal performance. Honda genuine products are also covered by Honda's National Parts Warranty, so you can drive knowing you're equipped with the best now and in the future. While you wait, take advantage of our comfortable customer lounge. Enjoy a complimentary coffee, read a newspaper, or access the free Wi-Fi. And if at any time during your service you have a question, just let us know. Our service team are here to answer any of your questions, and we care that you understand your service requirements. At Honda, we're genuinely genuine. Visit your local Honda dealer today to experience the service difference.